How leading transport companies improve depot efficiency. What separates the most efficient transport companies from everyone else? It is probably not what you think. It's not always the newest vehicles, the biggest budget, or the largest fleet. In many cases, the real advantage comes from something much less visible: how efficiently they operate behind the scenes. Whilst many companies focus on what happened onto the road, leading transport operators focus just as much on what happened inside the depot. Because that is where time is either saved or wasted, costs are either controlled or increased, and growth is either supported or limited. One of the biggest lessons they have seen from high-performance fleet operators is that they treat every operational process as part. They don't look at washes, maintenance, parking, dispatching, and vehicle preparation as separate tasks. They took as how each process affects the entire operation. When one area slows down, everything slows down. When one area becomes more efficient, the benefits spread across the business. Many transport companies discover that depot inefficiencies often hide in plain sight. Vehicle waiting for cleaning, stop spending hours on repetitive tasks, congestion during peak return time, small delays that seem harmless on their own but become significant when multiplied across dozens of vehicles every day. The most successful operators don't wait until these problems become serious. They identify bottlenecks early and remove them before they impact performance. One strategy that leading companies increasingly adopt is automation, not because automation is trendy, but because it creates consistency. A process that once depended heavily on manpower becomes predictable, measurable, and scalable. This is particularly important in vehicle washes, where cleaning quantities, turnaround speed, and labor requirements can have a direct impact on depot performance. Automatic wash system helps transport operators maintain consistent standards while reducing operational pressure and improve workflow efficiency. At Go&Go, we work with transport companies that are focused on long-term operational excellence. Our automatic wash system are designed to help fleets move vehicles through the cleaning process faster, with less labor dependency and greater consistency. Whether operating tourism coaches, city buses, service fleets, or large commercial vehicles, companies can build a more efficient depot environment that supports future growth instead of slowing it down. The most successful transport businesses are rarely the ones working harder. They are the ones building systems that work smarter, every minute saved, every bottleneck removed, and every process improvement contributes to a stronger, more competitive operation. If you are looking for a way to improve depot efficiency, reduce operational friction, and prepare your fleet for sustainable growth, now is the time to explore smarter solutions. Contact Go&Go today and discover how modern transport companies are transforming depot performance through automation and intelligent infrastructure.